How to turn on or off FreeSync setting on Envision monitor. And okay guys, here in your Envision monitor, on the back of this, you can see the joystick. Okay, you can push to the right the joystick to see these settings. And okay guys, here in settings, go to extra. Okay, push the joystick down and go to extra. Here in extra, okay, you can see here the FreeSync. Okay, you'll have to do is press the joystick to the right and press down to select the FreeSync. And the FreeSync is set into off. Okay, to turn on this, you'll have to do is press the joystick to the right and you can see the option. So you can turn on or off this FreeSync. So for example, I turn on the FreeSync. Okay, you'll have to do is select the on by press the joystick down to select. And okay, you can set the FreeSync into on by press the joystick to the right. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the FreeSync. So okay guys, if you want to turn off again, press the joystick to the right and select the off by push the joystick up and push to the right to select the off. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off the FreeSync settings on Envision monitor. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.